Discover the power of the ultimate add-ons for Contact Form 7 plugin, and learn how to create a two- or multi-column responsive form effortlessly without any CSS knowledge. Let's dive in. Go to the plugin settings and search for Ultimate Add-ons for Contact Form 7. Install it, and after activation, navigate to the plugin settings. First, enable the column or grid option. Here, you can see that the form code is already present. Simply click on the Add Column button. You can easily create 2 columns, 3 columns, or even 4 columns form using this feature with Contact Form 7. Just insert the desired tag from the list below. Please follow my steps. Now, it's all about rearranging your codes inside the column tags. Copy-paste your text fields inside your code area. Now, our single column form fields have been converted into 2 and 3 columns, without adding CSS code. This form is now fully responsive as well. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.